very well, and all the points have been raised very well. So there's one thing which I'd like to convey to all of you, that the demands have to be finalized. That is what all of you have done. And there's a big chunk of people here, so all of you cannot meet and talk to the authorities. So like it's perfectly cordial here, we have to restrict to 5-6 main demands. You please decide amongst all of you, 5 to 10 people who will represent your demands before the authorities. The movement has solidified, everyone is with you. But if this movement goes like this, 10 people, all of you from different groups, all the sections that you have, you need to identify 10 people. This is the way forward. And those 10 people, they will talk to the authorities. That will be a single channel. And if this remains like this and there's no ruckus, we can even request the DCP to come up and address, so that you guys don't create a problem, including me. We can request all the authorities to come up here and give a reply. That is the best way. Otherwise, we can keep on protesting, and we need to all understand the major issue. This is a law and order concern. The police will only ensure that there is no such threat. This is all responsibility of the MCD. So you need to be very clear, like UPSC aspirants, from where you want to seek the accountability. So the first things first, to end my point, because all of you have raised it very well, I will not add and further take the time. You please decide, especially the ones who are organizing the event, all of you here, all the people, hats off to you. You decide on the 10 people through any platform that you all are together. Make a committee of 5 to 10 people. You tell them all the points and then let them take forward to the authorities. That's the most important thing that we can do. That's the best thing, to put forward your points. That is what you can do. Okay, fine. Thank you.